Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be working on slash commands for our Discord bot. So let's get started. So we need a way to sync all of our Discord or a slash commands automatically. And there is no better way to automatically do that right as soon as we start the bot. What we're going to do is in the onReady function. Well, first we're gonna create a variable called synced underscore commands equals await at await bot touch read at sync. You're gonna press enter and then you're gonna do print parentheses f string apostrophe, and then it's gonna be print a statement to tell us that how many commands we synced when we started the bot. So we're gonna do synced, and then since it's an f string we can use curly brackets. We're gonna do len, so it's a length of something, and then we're gonna do parentheses, and then synced commands, which is this function from right here, commands. Then we can go here and say commands. So okay, there we go. So that's the first part, everything we've done. So now I'm gonna create our first slash command in the utility, just because it's simple and you don't have to create a new cog. I'm gonna do this in cogs today because it's simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to do from Discord import, and then we're gonna do app commands. App command allows us to create slash commands, so I'll demonstrate how to do that. So we're gonna do app commands dot command parentheses. We're gonna pass in the name because these are the parameters of an app command. Also this stuff, we're only gonna need name, description. Everything else we don't need. So name equals, we're gonna name this command test for now. Then we're gonna pass a description equals, and then colon, not apostrophes, sorry. And we're going to do test command for Discord, the Discord bot series. And I'm pretty sure we have to have this as a capital just to prevent any errors. Now we're gonna do asynchronize, so it's basically the same rest of the way. Asynchronize define test, so this is our test function, and then we're gonna pass in self. And instead of passing in CTX, we're gonna actually pass in Discord.interactions, or we're gonna do interaction colon Discord.interaction. This will save us time, so we don't have to always type Discord.interaction equals and etc. Then we're gonna add a colon right here. Now we're going to do await interaction interact response send message. Okay, I feel okay. But now we're gonna do import Discord. Oh my, wow, I'm a mess today. Import Discord. Now we can go back down. Gonna make our life easier. Everything's blue. Now we could do interaction response. Send message. And we're going to do parentheses and then colon. and we can see all of the parameters. So content, which is a string, embed, so embed equals it's the same thing. Let's go down. Ephemeral means if people can see it, people other than you can see it. So if you set it to false, you don't really need to say anything, but if you set it to true, that means you're only able to see it yourself, whoever called it. You can set delete after, set a poll. There's a lot of things you could do, but right now we're just gonna keep this simple and we're going to do it as a string. So we're gonna do test slash command leads test. Yeah. So now we created a slash command. We could go and run the bot. Hopefully, if I remember from the first episode, I chose application commands. I'm not sure, but let's just hope I did to save myself plenty of time. For the bot to start up. If everything goes well, it's gonna say synced one command. So that one command is this one. Pretty bit. It's still going on. Oh, okay. So apparently the name of the command has to be lowercase as well. I don't know why I didn't say that, but it's fine. We run the bot. Hopefully there's no errors this time, and I probably might have all of it, whatever it said, but I think it's fine for. This bot should be running. It's taking a while. So I'm gonna be back once it starts. Okay, we are now in Discord, and as we can see, the bot has started. Our console, it says sync to one command, and it also said utility cog has loaded. So that is two good signs that the bot is working. So if we type slash, hopefully we see from a command from our YT bot, and we get test. So slash test command for the Discord bot series. So we can run like this, press enter, and it sends us with the response. Test slash command complete. I could have phrased that differently, but doesn't really matter. So that's the simple way of it. I could go into more depth, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. As long as you know how to create embeds, you can always do that same process. But what you would do is embed equals embed, so the embed variable ephemeral only says like true to yourself. You can see it.